Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education and I'm very happy to see you again in this chapter. Our next chapter is what is that? Applications of trigonometry. So our first question and first exercise. So what is our question? A tower stands on the ground which is 15 meters apart from a point. 15 meters apart from a point. So this is the tower. Let's going to take tower height is h, and what is the angle of elevation? So first of all we should know what is meant by angle of elevation. So this is the line of sight. So from observer, here they are standing here. So from here we need to observe this is the top. So this is the top of the tower. So angle of elevation at the top. From angle of elevation means let's going to take this is horizontal line. So above the horizontal line it will going to make angle that is called angle of elevation. If below the horizontal line it's going to make, then that is angle of depression. So this is 45 degrees and we're going to use some different trigonometric ratios in order to find the what is the height or what is the distance between tower and the point. If they are not yet given, if they will not given, then we have to find it, and what is the distance from the top of to the point, whatever it is we have to find. So they are asking us here we need to find what is the let height of the tower, let height of the tower is small h. Let's going to take h meters. Then we have to find here what is there given here is, so this is the tower. Let's going to take this is A, B, C. So height will be AB tower height, that is AB height, that will be equal to h. Then the distance between, what you can write, the distance between foot of the tower to the reference point, that is B to C. So that one they are given is 15 meters. Then what is angle of elevation? So angle of elevation at the top, at the top of the tower, what is that? This angle BCA. Angle BCA will be equal to 45 degrees. So if you consider, what is that? If you consider triangle ABC, AB is the height. AB we have to find it. So what is the AB here? So based on this condition we need to find. So what ratio we have to find it? Here opposite side for the angle, for C angle, this is the opposite side AB. Already they are given adjacent side. So what is the most suitable prominent opposite side to the adjacent side? We can take tan theta. So here let's going to take theta will be equal to 45 degrees. So theta will be equal to 45 degrees. So here tan theta, let's going to take tan theta. Why? Because here adjacent side tan theta will be equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side by adjacent side. So here opposite side is AB. So theta tan 45 degrees will be equal to opposite side is what? AB by adjacent side is what? BC. BC. So tan 45 degrees as we know that is 1. So 1 will be equal to, AB is equals to what it here? H. BC is equals to what? 15. Then height will be equal to 1 into 15. So H will be equal to 15 meters. So what is the height? Therefore the height of the tower will be equal to 15 meters. By using of any one ratio, trigonometric ratio, we have to find the what is the solutions based on the criterions, based on the what they are required. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.